Today I am finally going to try Arwen's Battle Braid. I am, 6 years late on this trend? Maybe more? Lord of the Rings, whenever that came out. So this braid is infamous in long hair society. It was cut the um, from the final version of Lord of the Rings. Originally, Arwen was fighting at Helm's Deep, and she had this spectacular multi-strand braid, and then didn't make it into the final cut. But lots of long-haired people have screenshotted the deleted scene to get an idea of how to do that braid. So after watching a few of them, my favorite was the one that La Dolly Vita did. So I'm going to follow her instructions, and I've even written down some notes here after watching it because I'm going to forget. This is also going to be very challenging for my ability to part. This is, parting my hair is probably my biggest weakness. So this is definitely going to challenge that. Let's see how it goes. So first is my part is never quite actually centered. Then we're going to take a small section all the way down. Oh, that might be too small of a section. Okay, and this is going to be a lace braid. You'll see in a moment what I mean by that. Let's pin-nash this hair out of the way. Okay, so basically it's a French braid where you only take hair in from one side, in this case from the side of the hairline, which is pretty standard. So start with these little bits, and then add a little bit in from here. Gonna need a lot of little hair elastics for this, so I've been scouring the house for them. I think I have enough. Should have actually counted, but I did not. Okay, so even though the section goes all the way down to your nape, you're going to start directing the braid kind of straight back because it's eventually going to be here where this clip is. So you're going to start lifting the hair from that section. Alright, let's see if I can take it back. I think I got that right. This one will come next. I don't know if I did that right, but okay, and then I'm going to braid that all the way down. And then I need to do the same thing on the other side, another lace braid. Try to keep it even. Take the same amount of hair. Okay. Pin this again over to the side. Next parting is going to be horizontal. So let's get these braids kind of out of the way. Well, they're not entirely even. We'll see how that works. Now we divide this in two and do 2 French braids. All right, next comes more parting. So now do another horizontal and then vertical part. This is the simplest part. Now we make a ponytail with this. Make sure it's smooth. And then we're going to divide that in two and braid that as well. Guess what? Even though all of my hair is in braids now, we're about to do some more braiding. First though, we are gonna pin these ones back. Oh goodness, which one is my thing? What happened? I think it got braided into this one. Oh no. What? Okay, well, let's see if we can do it anyway. I'm going to pin it right across here where the ponytail holder is. Actually, let me use my black Amish pins. Okay, and now we are going, whoops, that did not work. Now I'm going to take this one of the ponytail ones, and the one down here, and do a 3-strand braid. uneven, but I'll tie it off where the one strand ends. We'll worry about that tail later. Same thing on the other side. We're going to take the tail from crossing over, one of the ponytail ones, and this one. We now have 4 braids, and so we are going to do a 4-strand flat braid with them. Oh wait, first I'm supposed to cross these over one more time. Yeah, and pin there. Okay, 4-strand flat braid. Section all the way on the right goes over, under, over. Section all the way on the right, over, under, over, and just keep doing that. Over, under, over, over. Make sure it's all laying flat. And there we go. Simple as that. Arwen's Battle Braid, version by La Dolly Vita. Little mess up there. And my sectioning was not entirely even, and it only took 31 minutes. All right, I hope you enjoyed that, and I'm going to take a picture of this so that I can see it.